Guys, this is Forex Contender. I welcome you all to my channel, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to open a Deriv demo account on your Android phone or your iPhone. So without wasting much of your time, let's go into it. What you need to do is, the first step is you go to your Play Store or your Apple Store. Once you get there, you are going to search for MT5 or MetaTrader 5. Now this is the application you are going to be using. Then you click on it. To those who are new to Deriv trading, you can only access Deriv accounts on MetaTrader 5. You cannot access it on your MetaTrader 4. Okay, so once you have successfully downloaded the application, you open it. This is what it's going to look like when you open the application. You click on accept. It will generate a demo account for you automatically. But don't forget, we want a Deriv demo account, not a MetaQuote demo account. So, but you follow through this process first, or you can as well cancel it. So let's say I cancel the option. I don't want a MetaQuote demo account. Now I'll click on add trading account. Then I'm going to click on this area here, find broker. Then I'll enter Deriv. It has to be Deriv.com Limited. It has to be this one. Then I'll click on it. Now, as you can see, there's an option there, open a demo account. Then you click on that option. So all you have to do while you are trying to open the account here is you enter your details, you fill the form, put your name, your phone number, and your email that you want to use to open the Deriv account. That's all you need to do. You are going to click on the USD. This is the balance of your demo account. You can choose 3,000, you can choose 5,000, but in this video I'm going to choose 3,000. That is $3,000. Then I'll click on accept. Then click on register. Now this is the login details of my new demo account. I can copy it so that I can secure it somewhere else. After that, I'll click done. Now my chart is looking sloppy because it is in tablet mode. I'll have to change it in the settings in case it appears like this on your phone. I'll switch it off. This is the settings, tablet interface. Then I'll switch it off. Now this is what it will look like. This is where you can access different assets that you want to trade on your demo account. And this is your balance, your equity and margin. So that is basically how to open a demo account. Now if you want to check the details of your account, you can always click this place. This is where your name appears, your login ID, and in that area you can manage your account and see how many accounts you have on your MT5. As you can see, this is the tag that shows that this account is a demo. It is clearly written there that it's a demo account. So that is how to open a Deriv demo account. Please click on the like button and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.